Picture a busy electronics store on a warm weekend evening. Two people are standing at adjacent billing counters, purchasing the exact same model of a premium television costing 45,000 rupees. The first person opens a wallet, pulls out a thick stack of physical currency, and begins counting out the paper notes one by one. 10, 20, 30, 40, 45,000. The process takes time, and the physical pile of cash visibly shrinks. The second person reaches into a pocket, pulls out a sleek metallic credit card, and casually taps it against a digital terminal. A brief electronic beep echoes, the machine flashes a green light, and the transaction is complete in less than 2 seconds. If you had to predict who will end up financially safer by the end of the year, it seems like a trick question. They are spending the exact same amount of money. But the real answer has nothing to do with the television itself. It depends entirely on a hidden neurological illusion. One method leaves a deep psychological mark, while the other feels completely invisible. In the first scenario, this person walks into a clothing store and spots a high-end designer jacket priced at 12,000 rupees. They decide to pay with physical cash. As they count out the notes and hand them to the cashier, something fascinating happens. The brain registers a physical loss. They can see the wallet becoming flat. They can feel the texture of the paper leaving their palms. There is a distinct, immediate sting attached to the transaction. Now look at the second scenario using a credit card. They tap the plastic, grab the shopping bag, and walk out. The physical sensation is identical to unlocking a smartphone or using a key card. The wallet stays exactly the same size. No physical object leaves their possession. The pain of paying is entirely absent. Psychologists explain this using a simple concept called payment friction. The pleasure of buying and the pain of paying are usually coupled. But a credit card acts like an emotional buffer. It decouples the transaction, giving you the joy today while pushing reality weeks away. The money stops feeling real. It transforms into an abstract, harmless number on a digital screen. But the future always catches up. It is a quiet Tuesday evening. The monthly credit card statement arrives via email. The person opens the document, expecting a manageable balance. Instead, they scroll through pages of small, harmless daily transactions. A coffee here, a dinner there, a casual shirt for 4,000 rupees. But now the aggregate total sits at the top of the page in bold print, 65,000 rupees. A cold, heavy knot forms in their stomach. They look around the apartment at the items purchased, trying to locate the joy. But the excitement has completely evaporated. The turning point happens through a quiet, grounded moment of absolute honesty. The person sits down at a kitchen table with a plain sheet of paper. They write down the total amount owed, look at it clearly, and accept the biological reality. The brain cannot manage invisible money. The defense is not extreme restriction. It is the intentional reintroduction of artificial friction. You must make the money feel real again. Set up an instant alert on your phone. Better yet, transfer the exact amount from your main account the very same day you purchase. If you tap for a 2,000 rupees dinner, immediately move the money. This forces the brain to experience the physical exit of funds. The modern financial world is engineered to make spending seamless. Every tap and scan is designed to exploit your psychology. By building simple boundaries, you break the illusion. You take back control, protect your peace, and build a future you actually own.